Welcome to this webinar session on VESDA Sensepoint XCL large bore gas detector. In this session, we will cover the latest Xtralis gas detection product offering, review the unique benefits and value this product brings to customers, and understand key applications. The contents of the agenda, we will start off by grasping a good understanding of what is aspirating gas detection, look into the features of the VESDA Sensepoint XCL product, go through the value propositions and benefits this product brings to customers, touch on key applications, understand good installation practices for applying VESDA Sensepoint XCL, and finish off with summary points. Before understanding aspirated gas detection, let's start with a brief overview of aspirating smoke detection. An aspirating smoke detection system comprises a smoke detector with a fan that draws air through a network of pipes to the detector for analysis of smoke. Pipe networks are extremely flexible in their deployment, can extend for hundreds of meters, and comprise sampling holes strategically positioned in a protected space to actively draw in smoke particles. An aspirated gas detection system leverages the ASD pipe network to transport air from multiple sample points to the gas detector for analysis of gas threats. What aspirating gas detection offers is by a simple addition to the ASD system. Now gas detection is accomplished in parallel to smoke detection. Also, with the aspirated and multi-point sampling methodology, significant cost savings can be realized on installation, service, and maintenance activities. VESDA Sensepoint XCL is an aspirated gas detector that connects to Xtralis ASD pipe networks for the detection of flammable, toxic, and oxygen gas hazards. It is inserted inline to the pipe through push-fit connections and is configured, commissioned, and maintained from an app on your smart device. It comes with an integral gas port for in-situ calibration and bump testing without the need to remove the detector from the pipe network. It has two configurable relays, 4 to 20 milliamp analog or Modbus RTU outputs for integration to BMS, fire alarm systems, PLC systems. It is UL 2075 certified, which means it is compliant to the carbon monoxide response thresholds and time requirements of UL 2034. Finally, it is designed only for safe areas, cannot be installed within or monitor hazardous areas. Here we see the offering of VESDA Sensepoint XCL detectors for different gas types and the respective maximum monitoring range. The offering covers flammable gases, toxic, oxygen, and carbon dioxide gas threats. In terms of the sensing technologies, the flammable sensors are polyester, toxic and oxygen are electrochemical, and carbon dioxide is infrared. For the flammable gas version, the sensor is non-selective and will respond to any gas that can burn. It is factory calibrated to methane, but the user, through software, can adjust the selectivity to a specific flammable gas. Due to its ability for aspirated and multi-point sampling, VESDA Sensepoint XCL brings unique benefits to the customer. Lower installation cost due to multi-point sampling, where one VESDA Sensepoint XCL gas detector can replace several spot gas detectors. Lower commissioning cost by using an app on your smart device for quick setup, commissioning, and maintenance. Lower maintenance cost due to aspirating sampling. The VESDA Sensepoint XCL can be installed outside the detection zone for easy access, saving time and money for service and maintenance. Reliable detection for dispersed gas in ventilated spaces due to cumulative sampling. Reliable long-term performance because the detector is protected against the harshness of the environment. Let's take a closer look. VESDA Sensepoint XCL supports multi-point gas detection. In this example, we can see how, by using one VESDA Sensepoint XCL detector, additional sampling points can be added to increase the sampling point density in a large single space or to protect a number of compartmentalized spaces. The end result is lower installation cost compared to a system that will require multiple spot gas detectors. All VESDA Sensepoint XCL detectors are Bluetooth enabled and can be paired with an application called Sensepoint app on your smart device for easy and quick configuration, commissioning, calibration, and service. The aspirated nature of VESDA Sensepoint XCL allows the detector to be placed outside the detection zone at a centralized and convenient location. As such, for maintenance and service activities, there is no need to use special access equipment, enter areas of high risk, access restricted areas, access concealed spaces, access secure areas, or access areas providing 24/7 service. With multi-point sampling, VESDA Sensepoint XCL is better suited to detect gas in variable airflow environments. While airflow could push a gas cloud away from a spot gas detector, a multi-hole sampling system would be more likely to detect the gas. Being aspirated, the VESDA XCL can be protected from the harshness of the detection zone environment. Here we can see how the sampling pipe itself and inline pipe components can be used to condition the temperature, remove water and other airborne contaminants from the air before it reaches the detector. Protecting the detector against the harshness of the environment will ensure it performs reliably over the long term. The VESDA XCL portfolio comprises a range of sensors that address a wide range of applications. Here we see several examples of key applications ranging from residential and commercial building systems to car parks and tunnels, underground areas, confined areas, and industrial segments for occupant safety and monitoring of operations and processes. When applying VESDA Sensepoint XCL, you must understand that each area has its own unique set of conditions that can impact gas detection. For example, what and where are the gas hazards? What are the physical properties of the gas? What are the environmental conditions within the space? For example, how will airflow and ventilation impact gas movement? Is there a likelihood for gas accumulation where detection might be required? Should you design for localized detection or follow performance-based design, taking into consideration the built environment? Will actual operations in the area change throughout the year, and how can this impact the system? Always engage a specialist in gas detection for the proper and reliable deployment of VESDA Sensepoint XCL large board product. On the concluding marks, VESDA Sensepoint XCL adds gas detection capability to existing or new ASD pipe network installations to deliver greater value than fixed spot gas detectors. VESDA Sensepoint XCL offers unique benefits to customers due to its aspirating and multi-point gas detection methodology. VESDA Sensepoint XCL detects flammable, toxic, and oxygen gas hazards for a wide range of applications. The detector can be quickly and easily commissioned and maintained through your smart device using an app called Sensepoint app. VESDA Sensepoint XCL is for non-hazardous classified areas only. And finally, when it comes to the design of your gas detection system, the majority is performance-based designs, and you always have to understand the environment and operational conditions within the space to design a reliable and well-performing detector. Always engage a gas detection specialist.